What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, have you ever imagined when you step into the certain room and you will see a lot of photograph of a beautiful landmark and all of the sudden the picture is turned into the spooky lantern of a Halloween. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. This is the picture of a woman step into the certain room and also surrounded by the hanged pictures. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the fully gloomy and spooky Halloween photograph. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform or another AI, it is very okay and you can go with it, and I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation guys. And if you would like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the home page. And you can simply scroll down and click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can upload the picture. Let's say when you are looking for, or watching over the photographs. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And basically the prompt would be like this. A chilling, haunted Halloween scene from behind a ghostly female figure in a tattered, flowing white gown, walking slowly on a murky, mist-covered floor. Like this. She is surrounded by numerous dark, ornate cobweb-laden and frames floating eerily in the air. Inside the frame are spooky, distorted image of a haunted house, for example, and also gnarled trees. Under the full moon, shadowy figures, and also the glowing jack-o'-lanterns. And sinister orange-purple lights flicker like the restless spirit, casting long, unsettling shadows, and the atmosphere is gloomy, spooky, and perfect for the Halloween, with a sense of dread and mystery. So guys, you can start to give this prompt a screenshot, and don't worry because I will also share you this prompt into the description box, and you can simply copy it. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. And basically, this is the same prompt that I used before, like this. However, by using this prompt, you can also have the different result, and it is very okay. You can check it out. And if you feel like that this is already good or you love it, then you can continue click download, and it will be officially saved into your device. However, if you'd like to have the another one or another picture, then you can click this, rerun this turn in this section or this section, like this. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.